Imagine having the ability to develop and deploy your AI projects on any machine, without worrying about hardware compatibility. With ROCm Docker containers, you can create portable development environments that run smoothly on AMD GPUs. In this video, we'll explore how to set up and use ROCm containers for your GPU development needs. As we've just mentioned, ROCm containers are a game changer for AI developers. They provide a way to create portable development environments that run smoothly on AMD GPUs. This means you can develop and deploy your projects on any machine, without worrying about hardware compatibility. When it comes to developing AI projects on AMD GPUs, you have two main options: native installation or ROCm containers. While native installation can be faster and more convenient, ROCm containers offer unparalleled portability and reproducibility. Now that we've explored the benefits of ROCm containers, let's dive into setting them up for development. With just a few simple steps, you can create a portable development environment that runs smoothly on your AMD GPU. To get the most out of ROCm containers, it's essential to follow best practices. By using the latest versions, keeping your development environment up to date, and following a consistent naming convention, you'll ensure smooth development and deployment of your AI projects. In conclusion, ROCm containers are a must-have tool for any serious AI developer. They provide a portable way to develop and deploy AI projects on AMD GPUs, unlocking unparalleled portability, compatibility, and reproducibility. Thanks for watching this video on ROCm Docker containers. If you're interested in learning more about AMD GPUs and AI computing, be sure to join our community #AMDevs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tutorials and updates.